Hey guys, welcome back to the Mother of Pluckers. This is your girl Cass. Thank you so much for joining. I am excited to finish some of the project that I had left over the other day when I wasn't feeling 100% up to par. So I think we'll just work a little bit more inside the coop and then finish off those little panels. I'd already made the cut for it the other day. I also just want to add a little disclaimer. I am not a professional. I am 100% learning. This is the first project that I've done, and I'm sure when you see different things, it'll probably drive you absolutely crazy, and I'm sorry for that. I wish that I was perfect. I'm not. I'm just following these design plans and from a professional who actually knows what they're doing. So if you want somebody who does perfect cuts, go to Third Coast Craftsman's page and check that out. But as for me, this is just my trial period of figuring things out, and I'm just winging it. That is the premise of the show, is me winging it, doing my best. And so if it kills your soul, I'm sorry, you don't have to watch. Thank you for joining. Put your hair up, put your gloves on, let's get started. I know. This is an incredible outfit, and I'm very proud of it. We're living our life. We're doing our thing. We're not worried about it. Are we worried about it? We're not worried about it. Calm down. This is a piece of plywood that was left over from when we did the flooring, so I'm going to try to use it first and then cut the other three pieces from its template. I don't know, design. Pick a word.
On this episode of When to Tell Your Mental Health is Failing.
I need to turn on some music to lift my spirits. The part you hit the button. So Friday evening, I had tried to use this guy, but the wood cracked straight through. So we are going to make another cut on a different piece of wood, and we will reuse the parts that are not cracked at a later date. Heavenly Father, please guide my cuts. In Jesus Christ's name I pray. Can we just all take a moment to appreciate the fact that this coop holds my body weight, no problem? Okay. Too aggressive. I think that's the problem. Okay. I don't know if this is a good or a bad idea, but... The answer was bad. The answer was bad. I think I'm gonna wood glue the rest of it. Here is our perfectly straight piece of wood. The straightest piece of wood you've ever seen in your life, obviously. What are we gonna do with this piece of wood, you may ask? We are going to blow your mind. Woohoo! I love it! Yay! That makes me so happy. I gotta paint this first. I know I haven't been painting the others because I've been sick of painting, but I've gotta paint it first. Or do I just go over everything with my paint sprayer thing? I feel like it's gonna be better if I paint it first. I should paint it first. Okay, I'm gonna paint it first.
but I thought she would have left sooner, but she stayed till like 3. She enjoyed it.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Huh. I know what you're thinking. You literally did 2 things. I get it, I do. But I'm just like struggling with finding like the will to live. So I'm gonna leave it at that for today. We'll do more tomorrow. The dopamine is not dopamining, in my head, and I just need things to dopamine in order for me to want to keep going forward. So when I lose that, I know that no progress shall be made, and if there is progress, it'll be crappy progress. And I know that you guys are probably thinking, your Coop is already crappy. You're crappy. No, I'm kidding. Sorry. Anyways, I guess I should say good night, and I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow.